Hi, my name is Mike, and this is my story on how I went from $0 to $500,000 per year with an online business. If you're someone stuck in a 9 to 5 and you're wondering if there's something more out there for you, this is the video you've been waiting for. Back in 2018, I was fresh out of school, working as a telecommunications engineer apprentice. It was supposed to be a safe job, good pay, steady work, all that. But in reality, I'd be driving around in freezing weather, working with wires on poles, and just trying to stay warm. My mom's house was my home base because with the housing crisis, moving out was a complete distant dream. I'd scroll through my phone seeing people making money online and I'd think, how the hell are they doing it? I had no clue where to start, no experience, no connections and no business background, just simply a guy with a dream and a whole lot of frustration. Then in 2022, 4 years later, something changed. I stumbled across guys like Iman Gadzi and Grant Cardone. Their content got me thinking differently. I'd been stuck in a mode of consuming for far too long, watching other people win instead of taking action myself. But finally, I saw a path forward. I realized that I didn't have the skills to run a big agency like they did, but I'd heard about landing pages. These are just a simple one-page website with one clear goal, and that's to convert traffic. It was simple and basic, but it was something I could actually start. No coding required, no big investments, just simple work put in. I'd work my 9 to 5 during the day, which was actually more like 8:30 to 7 o'clock because I do 2 hours overtime in the evening. Then until midnight, I'd be working on my online business. I'd be learning and building landing pages. I documented every win and failure on Twitter. That's where it all started to change, and very quickly. In just 2 weeks, I'd grown an audience of 1,000 people, and within the first month, I'd grown over 2,000 followers and got my first client. I'll never forget it, that feeling. $50 for my first landing page. And it wasn't about the money, it was about the proof. The belief that someone was willing to pay me for my skills. That's a moment I'll absolutely never forget. With that $50 in my pocket, I doubled down. I'd wake up at 5 AM to fulfill client work before going to my 9 to 5. Lunchtime? I was in the van working on my business. Still learning, still posting content, giving clients updates. And after work, back to landing pages. No time was wasted. Within 90 days, I had hit my first $10,000 online in a single month. 2 months later, I doubled that to 20K. Now at this point, I'm making a lot more than I'd ever made as a telecommunications engineer. As the demand grew, I had to juggle everything. My 9 to 5, content creation and client work. I was doing all the development of the work myself and it was absolutely hectic. But I learned very quickly how to manage my time. I realized I needed help. So I found overseas contractors to handle that development for me. I hired them through Upwork and Fiverr and handled the client communication and project management myself. And around this time, something interesting started to happen. People started reaching out to me, asking me for help. How are you doing this? Can you coach me? This sparked the beginning of my coaching business. I'd had many thoughts of coaching before, but it wasn't something I planned and it wasn't something I thought I could make happen so quickly. It just happened so naturally because I started helping a few people for free in the beginning. But one of those people changed everything. One of my students went from $0 to $18,000 cash collected in just 60 days. Seeing that happen in real life was just a light bulb moment for me. I realized that the same formula used for my own success could actually be replicated. That's when I knew I was onto something big. From there, I built a full program designed to help people just like you and I leave our 9 to 5s. People who felt stuck, people that want to escape, just like I did. And here's the thing. You don't need to be special to do this. You just need to understand how to package your skill set, find who to target, and learn how to grow a personal brand. I'm living proof that it's possible. My students are proof that it's possible. If you're ready to take action and learn how to do it step by step, I've got a free call available for you. Click the link in the description, book a call with me, and let's map out a plan for your escape together. I'll show you how to package your skill, build your brand, and start collecting cash online. Now, if you've liked this video, make sure you subscribe for more, hit the like button, and any questions you have, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Peace.